Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and don't confuse by these circles. I was just trying to predict, just trying to analyze the price of the Bitcoin. Well, I was off today due to the Eid function today. That's why I was off. uh, and I just opened the chart and I saw that Bitcoin pumped. Let me show you this one. Coin market cap, it pumped almost 8% today. It went down to 29,800 and it pumped up to 32,000. Now the thing is, I was just trying to, I have deleted everything. I'm gonna redraw the chart again. But the thing is, I think this pump right now which is happening, I still think that it is a trap for the bulls. It might be it's my opinion. I'm still bearish on this chart. Why? Because guys, if we closely observe these areas, if we start our price action from this area, okay, you see here price came down, went up, came down here at this level, and you can see this line of circles, here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, 7 times this area has been tested, and after that it went down, and you saw that the price after that went down sharply. Now if you take a look at the downside, I'm talking about this area here and this area here at this region where the price is currently hovering. Now if we take a look, on the upper side we got 7 circles, on the downside we got 1 2 3 4, and that might be 5 6 and 7. So 7 on the upside, 7 on the downside. Now if I draw a rectangle around this area, let me delete, yeah, let me just confirm it here. I'm talking about this area, and what was the upside? Sorry, let me first draw the levels here, this level and this level here. Now let me delete everything step by step. Just bear with me guys, sorry for that. Now take a look at yourself guys. If we take a look at this area, what do you see here? Don't you think that we have broken the support area, and we are still retesting after breaking this area of support? Let me again delete everything and let me show you here. If you observe closely guys, this area has been tested so many times. Just take a look at here, okay, and no candle closed below this area. Just observe guys, no candle closed below this area, but these candles, these two candles starting from this area, they started to close below, and what happened? We have might made a new support level. Now this is our new support here. If I turn on the magnet tool, this one, okay, now this one is our new support here. But on the upside, many people might be thinking that this is a bullish candle. Yeah, it is a bullish candle, but it is not a confirmation for the bullish move. Why? Because if you observe the candles, you see that we are still testing, we are confirming that we have broken this area. What happens? Let me show you with an example guys. That example would be this one. For example, if you take a look at this area, okay, take a look at this area. What happened? Price rejected, then price came down. At this level price came up, then again down, up, again down, and this candle here, observe these two candles, it came down, up, but it was never a signal for the upward move. Why? Because we have had broken this area. we have had broken this area here, and this candle, green candle, was just retesting, confirming that we have broken this area, and after that the price came down, you see. Okay, now let me find some more examples as well. If we take a look at here, uh this was a good example. Now what do we have here? This is good example as well. This one is a good, this one also is a good example here. Now if we take a look at here again, I'm gonna come back to my point here. We have broken this area of sport level. Just try to understand this one. This is what I think. Okay, now let me redraw everything for you guys so you can understand. I'm gonna find out the levels. This one, we have this level, we have this level. Okay, now if we take a look at this area here as well, I'm gonna draw the, this is not swing low, not swing low, this one is a swing low here. Now let me draw the price here. This is the first level, this is the second level, and just let me redraw it here. Now what do you see here? This is also a level here. Now let me draw here as well. Now let me make it dashed line. Just observe this area, guys. Observe the price action here. We are trying to break this area. Okay, we are trying to break this area. This was the previous swing high. Okay, this candle is the previous swing high, and we are trying to compete, we are trying to break that level. That is why this candle went up. Usually what happens is, whenever a certain area is broken, for example this area was broken, the price came down, made a new swing low, then the next candle, that whatever the candle is, it needs to retest, it needs to, you know, retrace back from the region where it was broken. Got it? From the region where it was broken. So it was broken at this level, so it has to get to that level and to get rejected from this level. If it gets rejected and if it closes below this level, then the next candle is surely going down here. Okay, that's why I'm still bearish on this candle, on this large engulfing candle. Okay, so this is my reason, because we have still, this is a swing high, we need to break above this previous swing high in order for the price to at least test that previous swing high here as well. We need to test that level as well, and that would be something like somewhere around here, 33,000. So keep an eye on this candle, which is information, and if it gets rejected from this level, we might see some retracement, you know, might see some wick on the upside and then a move on the downside. But nevertheless guys, this is my theory, this is what I think, because if we take a look at here, we have more of the downtrend. You can see more of the downtrend. Just take a look at here, more downside candles, and less upward movement. You see here, less upward movement, not a lot of upward movement. If we go back at this bullish run, what do you see? We have had large upward movement, downward movement, small, large upward movement, downward movement, small, then a small movement, large, this one, and that's how the price move. This is called impulsive movement here. But at this area we have more of the red regions. So still I think this price might be, you know, we need keep an eye on this candle, guys. If it closes above the area here, above this level, 32,444, if it closes below this area, then wait for the confirmation, otherwise the price is going down. This is what I think, guys. This is my theory, and I'm still bearish on this candle. I'm still bearish on the price. I might be wrong, but that's how I think. because I need confirmation. I trade on confirmations. Without confirmations, I do not trade. The simple is that. It might be bullish but for bullish, it needs to close above this area. It needs to close above previous swing high. This one, it needs to close above this high, this area, this level. Then I would be, more of the then I will say that we are bullish. But right now, I would keep an eye on this level. Simple as that. And on that, I'm gonna predict the price of other altcoins in the future. So for now, I'm not gonna give you any signals about any other coins until tomorrow. And once I get the confirmation of this candle, then I will post the predictions of other coins as well. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.